thanks to the works of some of our other ground crew, our Kawasaki is running again, and well, it's almost entirely fully functional. It needs a little bit more work here and there, but she's running pretty good. All right, so the Kawasaki was parked back over here. So what I'm going to do is fire up the forklift, my nemesis, and put the test bench back to a lot more of an accessible location so that we don't have to keep shuffling stuff in and out to get the ME262 in and out. So I'm gonna deal with that. Let's see if this thing will start. I had to use the starting fluid this morning, but let's see if she'll go now that she's a little bit warmed up. Let's see here. Neutral, parking brake. Yeah! Never doubted it for a minute. All right, so the test bench is likely going to stay in this hangar for a while. However, to make it easier on ourselves, we got a small little sub project, and that is to change the wheels because they're flat, or at least two of them. We changed two of them beforehand. So this thing is going to get these nice solid tires. They can't go flat, which is awfully convenient. Yeah, baby. All right, so crew chief Al's been hard at work. I think he's come during the week as well. But that filter can is out of its home. So, gonna get that resealed and put back up in the jet. And we'll test it, make sure it holds fuel and doesn't leak so we can start engine number 1. There you go.
Well, you're gonna have to come from another angle, because I gotta get to that clamp.
Okay.
Unless you want to do the clamp.
Let's see.
Clamp's right there.
Oh, no, can't reach my hand that way.
Right there. See what I'm doing there?
There you go. Sorry guys, trying to get 4 hands going.
Hold it. I can't see what I'm doing here.
I'm gonna set you guys down, sorry. You ready?
Okay.
2. Let's go.
Stand in between all those lines.
Oh, come on. Found it! Alright, I'll be more careful. Alright, she's square. What the torque is on this?
Between a lot and a good bit.
Check the book. It's not far. She's in place. I'll go find the torque spec. And yeah, want to check it, make sure it's seated. Yep, there you go.
Looks good.
Awesome. Before we final torque it, the question, we had a viewer question. What is behind that little door right there?
That's the breeches for your centerline stores. This is where if you're going to eject your centerline stores.
Oh, okay. So like if you got a rack of bombs or something right there, or
right.
for the tank. Oh, okay.
We still have our centerline breeches.
Yeah, the breeches are there, but we can't obviously use them.
I doubt if there's any power to them.
So that's what would if you got a jettison, your center store or whatever is hanging there, that's where the pyro chargers go for that.
Right after the crew chiefs, they hang the tank and then do a leak and transfer, make sure the tank's all good to go. Then the last thing, the weapons guys will come out here, pull these two caps off. They'll do an electrical jettison check, make sure it's getting power.
Gotcha.
And they'll put breeches in and close it up.
Nice.
And right here is where the centerline pin goes. There's a lockout pin that goes right there. It'll lock out the electrical signal and won't let you unlock the tank.
Oh, okay.
And those are all part of the ground locks that we put down every day.
Gotcha. Not that that serves us much use these days.
Until we put a tank on it.
But even then, we can't jettison it.
No, but you can lock it where nobody can drop it on the ground.
Oh, that's true. Cool. Thanks for that.
Sure. Now,
I'm gonna go find a torque wrench.
Yeah, time to find a torque wrench, and I'm gonna have to see about putting that back together.
Well, the test was unsuccessful. Yeah, we'll keep plugging away at it. All right, good news, guys. We have a new seal on the filter, and we double checked the seals on the main fuel feed coming here. So that's the bulkhead fitting. This is what's coming down from fuel cell 1 to feed to each engine. There's another one on the opposite side for engine number 2. But made sure the seals were still good here on each end. These have been torqued properly. Same thing with the V-band clamp on the filter base. And we leak checked it, and no leaks. Didn't even drip. We're very, very happy about that. So, yeah, we got a good check. So that clears the way now. Once we lock wire everything in place, then we can... next time we can run the engines, we can actually do both of them. So that may be coming up soon, because I know before we put her up on jacks to deal with the gear door re-rig to rig the doors like this side has, we got to have her up on jacks to do that so the doors can be lined up properly. So yeah, so really good news out of the hangar for us today. All right, everybody. It's been a pretty dang productive, yet hot, yet another hot day here at the hangar. But thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.